Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my channel. This is Earn with MOJ. Do you know that you can make $50 to $200 weekly just by chatting with lonely foreigners? You can get paid by chatting or by video call, things that you do normally on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and not get paid. So you just scroll through the internet from morning till night without getting paid. But with this platform, all you need to do is just chat or video call, anything that suits you, and you get paid for it. So the app that we're going to be talking about is Meyo app. So you come to your Play Store or your App Store and you type this out. So this is the application that we're going to be working with. In my previous video, I mentioned 4 apps like this that can earn you money with just chatting, so you can check it out. So this is a more detailed tutorial on just one of it. So I mentioned the 4, so you can check them out, and this is one of them. So I'm going to be going into details on this particular application. So you go to your App Store, your Play Store, then you download this application. So you're going to wait for it to download depending on your internet connection. So we're going to wait a bit for it to download before we install, and then I'm going to show you how to register on it and how to get started. So this is going to be a bit detailed, so just grab your popcorn and get ready to earn by chatting with people online. So by doing this, you can actually meet a good person, reliable person on the internet, and then build even a lasting relationship with. So it's going to go beyond you just chatting and getting paid. So you can build meaningful relationship even with the people that you meet on this application. Okay, so just watch everything that I'm going to be showing you, the step by step that I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so we finished downloading it and it has been installed. So now the next thing is you click on open. So this is the interface of this application. Now you can choose to log in however you want. You can log in with your Facebook, with Gmail, or with your email. So you can choose anyone. So if you're logging in with your email, so you input the email that you want to use. Okay, so you can just open an email, a separate email specifically for this. It really does not matter. Okay, so just go to your Gmail, download Gmail if you don't know how to open one, download Gmail and open an application. Okay, and open an account, I mean. So I'm going to be using this Gmail. So after that, verification has been sent, so you open that. So I'm going to type in what I have here, and then you click on confirm. So now you input the password that you want, that you can remember. So after that, you just log in after inputting your password. So now this is the next part. You have to put in your basic info. So you're going to click on female. Okay, so you input you can just put any nickname, but make sure it's a very good nickname that is going to attract people to chat with you. You get, I'm just doing this for illustration purpose. Just make sure you just do something. You get, now you have to be older than 18 years of age. Okay, so just put anything. Okay, so now if you follow the code, you can follow the link in the description box, or the code that I'm going to be putting down there. So you just input the invitation code. Okay, so make sure that you use the invitation code, or you just follow the link in the description box. So you input the invitation, so you input the invitation code here. So after you're done, you click on OK. So now we are fully in this. So you can choose to allow. Okay, so you can choose to allow. So let me just click on don't allow. So no thanks. So now new users gift, eat on someone now, then you get 5 diamonds. So diamonds is the currency on this platform. Okay, so now you can see, look at the tabs down here. You can see home, you can see moments. So this is moments. Okay, so you can just, just download and then just go through this. So I'm just going to do just a quick, you know, so just go through it. You can click on allow. Okay, so that you can always get messages. Now look at this. This is where we're coming to messages. So you click on these messages. No, so now see these people. So these people, they've already started to message you. So you just click on, the message, and then you just respond to them. So you just respond to them. So you just do this and then you get paid for it. You get, so automatically they'll pay you this one coin. Then subsequently, you keep the conversation alive like that. So now you need to upload pictures. So you can see that you have rewards for setting up your profile. You have rewards. So once you set up your profile, you put in your picture, you're going to be getting 1.5 diamonds. And look at every other thing. So this is the diamond. You click on diamond. So now see the diamond that I have. I have 6.52 diamonds. Okay, so that's your diamond. Once it gets to certain age, certain level, then you can withdraw. Okay, so you can just go through all of these, your diva level, just follow everything they ask you to do, and then you get started. So now, once you start working with this app, you have several people messaging you, so you can set up your greeting. So that's going to be a generic greeting, you get. So you can set up your greetings. You need to authenticate before you do that. So yeah, so you need to authenticate, complete authentication to enjoy more privilege. So after you click on authenticate, then they take a picture of your face. So that's that, but I'm not going to be doing that. So you just follow through with whatever they ask you to do. So once you authenticate, you're able to do so many things. So setting up greetings, you can set up your greetings once they send a message to you. So you just maybe like I and some, just something, just go through to see what other people are doing. Upload your pictures, you get coins, you get diamonds for that and other things. Look at party. So you join your party, you do, it's just like live streaming, you get. So you say live streaming, so all of these things, live streaming and the likes, you get paid for all of these things. You can video call with them, you post and the likes. Just make sure that your profile is good. Okay, make sure you put good pictures. Okay, and make sure that you know how to chat to keep the conversation going. Okay, so you keep the as you're chatting with them, you get paid. You get paid. So that's basically all. So once you set up your profile wall, put in good pictures, chat, respond, do live stream, video call, then you get paid. Before you know it, once you respond to lots of people, you get paid. And from there you can even build meaningful relationships. Okay, so just make sure you go to go to your App Store, Play Store, download, and you get started. So once you start doing this, then you have a bit of a hang over it and you understand more of it. So if you have any question, make sure you drop them in the comment section. And if you want me to do a video for you on any application or site, just put it in the comment section, then I'm gonna work towards it. So you get a sign-in bonus every day. So once you log in, you get sign-in bonus. Okay, so you get sign-in bonus for it every time you log in. So make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you share. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. As you know, this channel is all about making money, having a shift in your mindset, and getting to where you want to get to financially. Okay, so everything about finances, your mindset, you're gonna find it on this channel. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.